This is the Composite cleaning pencil. It's made in the UK and the website is cleaningpencil.com. If you're a metal detectorist and you don't have one of these, you're missing out on something that's pretty amazing. Hi everyone, I'm Memo and welcome to my channel Finding Memo, where you find me finding treasure with my trusty metal detector, as well as doing all things treasure related. And today I have a review of the Composite cleaning pencil. It's I think it's fiberglass tip of some kind, which is used to get old coins and artifacts cleaned up and looking really spiffy. I just recently acquired this pencil. I'm a bit late to the game. I've been watching videos on YouTube that talk about it, but they're all from about 2 years ago. So I just want to make a disclaimer here at the beginning of the video, and I'm reading here from the card that comes with it. Not suitable for silver, gold coins or precious metal artifacts. So you've been warned. So of course I was watching some videos on YouTube, but I noticed that they were all about 2 years old, maybe older, and nothing much new on this composite pencil. But then I found a video by Digger Dawn, and she was using this pencil to clean up some coins and kind of showing how it's done. And the date was this year, 2025. So I had a watch of the video and I thought, I need one of those. And I got on the website and ordered it. So as you guys know, the ones that watch my videos regularly, I'm living in Mexico, detecting in Mexico. This is made in the UK, so I was a bit concerned that it might not even ship to me, or if it did ship to me, it might not get to me. I have ordered things before from overseas and they never even show up because of the postal service here. But this pencil showed up in about a week. Took about a week and a day, I think, week and 2 days to get all the way from the UK over to Mexico, snail mail, and it was a very reasonable shipping price too. So as I say, you're not going to be cleaning silver coins and precious coins, valuable coins with this pencil, but it's really great on a lot of the copper coins that I find that just have the dirt just really caked onto them and you can't get it off. Let me show you a couple of examples. This is some 2-cent coins that I have found recently, and I've used the pencil to clean them up, and they've come up really nice. Really nice. Of course, you don't get the corrosion off of them. I mean, you can get a lot of the rust, the built up dirt, but if it's actually in the metal, if it's in the coin, then you're not gonna make that look like new. But it really helps clean up the coins. So what do? You basically just take a coin, maybe something like this. This is a Josefa. Can't see the date on it. It would be down there. And then with the nib, you just kind of work at it in small circles. Seems to be the best way that I've found. Let me put this in my coin clamp so I can show you a bit better. So I made this coin clamp on my 3D printer to help me hold the coins while I'm cleaning. And all you're going to do is just kind of do gentle circles around the dirt. That's what I've seen works the best. And that fiberglass tip, don't know exactly the composition that it has, but it works wonders, and it doesn't scratch the coins, at least not these older copper coins. See, it's just starting to get that dirt off, and there's a date coming through. This white nib is for your initial cleaning, kind of the nasty stuff. And then there's another nib that comes with it, which is a black nib that's for more detailed and gentle type cleaning as you get closer to the actual metal of the coin, and you want to take a bit more time to get into all those little grooves and nooks and crannies on the coin. And you just keep working at it like that, and it does really good. So I've just been working on that off camera for about 5 minutes is all, and you can already see the lettering clearly. Here we've got a date, 1944, at the bottom there. Let's see if we can get that to focus. Come on. Anyway, it says 1944 on that coin, and it doesn't scratch the patina. It's quite amazing how it works. So the pen itself is plastic, it's plastic construction, and you press on the end here and you get more of the fiberglass rod out. You can take that out, replace it with the black one. They also sell a brass one, which I don't have. And to sharpen the nib, you just use some sandpaper and sharpen it up, clean it up like that, and you're good to go. I got the 2-pack, and it comes with 2 pens and then this refill package with 3 white refills and 2 blacks. I gave the other pen to Sam for him to clean up his coins too. I paid £15 for that, which is about like $20 maybe, something like that. And then there was I think £5 or £6 shipping on it also. So I can take a really close look at this, and I'm not seeing any scratches on it. I'm sure that there are a few really fine ones, but this is, I think, 6 magnification what I'm using here on my magnifying glass, and it looks really good, really good. So as I say, I really like this pen. Not being paid to say this, and I bought it with my own money. I wasn't given it. I really do find it useful. I've been using it all the time. I can highly recommend it. Go to cleaningpencil.com and maybe take a look at what they're offering there and pick one up. Okay, well that's all for now. We'll catch you on the next one.